This is my new lathe. Just picked it up yesterday. Found it on Craigslist. It's generally, I mean, it's completely in working order. The gears are all fine. It does need work though. The ways are a little gummy. Things move a little stiffly. The gears haven't been lubed in 20 years as far as I can tell. The grease in the headstock is so old that it's hard, and everything's just a little crusty looking, and it's been repainted green for some crazy reason. I guess people use whatever paint they got, I guess. As I repaint things, I'm going to put it back into, I'm going to check, there's some original colors inside of here. That looks like dark machine gray to me. The Rust-Oleum dark machine gray, I think, is probably close enough match to that. But that's what I'm going to use. So that's this is going to be an interesting project for this winter, I think. Out here in the shop, it was a bit of an adventure getting it here. Nothing terrible, just a long drive, and moving it on an engine hoist was a little exciting. I think the first thing I'm going to do, just as an experiment, is I'm going to take off the compound, take that apart, try to clean it up, and when I get to the store this afternoon, I'm going to pick up some paint, try see how that goes, see what it looks like with fresh paint on it. Clean up the this is pretty rusty here too. I'm going to clean that up. You have to get buffing wheel to put onto my bench grinder. So anyway, here we go.